Jai Sri Krishna. This verse is coming from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 15, the Yoga of the Supreme Person. Here, Lord Sri Krishna said, Mama Bonso Jivo Loke Jiva Bhutah Sanatanah Mana Sastya Indriyani Prakurti Stani Karsati. It means the living entities in this conditioned world are my eternal fragmental part. Due to conditioned life, they are struggling very hard with the sixth sense, which includes the mind. The purport is, in this verse, the identity of the living being is clearly given. The living entity is the fragmental part and parcel of the Supreme Personality of Godhead eternally. It is not that he assumes individually in his conditional life and in his liberated state becomes one who the Supreme Lord. He is eternally fragmented. It is clearly said Sanatana. According to the Vedic version, the Supreme Lord manifests and expands himself in innumerable expansions, of which the primary expansion are called Vishnu Tava and the secondary expansion are called the living entities. The primary expansion is Vishnu Tava and the secondary expansion is living entities, means human beings, cow, dog, whatever the living thing you are seeing, these things are coming in secondary expansion. In the other word, the Vishnu Tova is the personal expansion and the living entities are the separated expansions. By his personal expansion, he is manifested in various forms like Lord Rama, Nrsimha Deva, Vishnu Murti, and all the predominating deities in the Vaikuntha planet. The separated expansions, the living entities, are eternally servitors. The personal expansion of the Supreme Personality of a Godhead, the individual identity of the Godhead. Lord Rama is the identity of the Godhead. Okay, so are always present. Similarly, the separated expansion of the living entities have their identities as fragmental part and parcel of the Supreme Lord. The living entities also have a fragmental portion of his quality and of which independence is one. Every living entity as the individual souls has his personal individuality and a minute form of independence. By misuse of that independence, one becomes a conditioned soul, and by proper use of the independence, he is always liberated. In either case, he is qualitatively eternal as the Supreme Lord is. In his liberated state, he is free from this material condition and he is under the engagement of the transactional service unto the Lord. In his conditioned life, he is dominated by the material mode of nature and he forgets the transactional loving service of the Lord. As a result, he has to struggle very hard to to maintain his existence in the material world. If he is not liberated, he has to struggle very hard to maintain the existence of this material world. The living entities not only human beings and the cat and dogs, but even the greater controller of the material world, Brahma, Lord Shiva, and even Vishnu are the part and parcel of the Supreme Lord. They are all eternal, not temporary manifestations. The word karasti, it means struggling or grappling hard, is very significant. The conditioned soul is bonded up, and as those shackled by iron chains. He is bonded up by the false ego, and the mind is the chief agent of the driving agent which is driving him in the material existence. When the mind is in the mode of goodness, his activities are good. When the mind is in the mode of fashion, his activities in troublesome. And when the mind is in the mode of ignorance, he travels in the lower species of the life. It is clear, however, in this verse, the the conditioned soul is covered by the material body. With the mind and the sense, and when he is liberated, this material covering perished, but his spiritual body manifests itself in its individual capacities. The following information is there in the Madhyadhyayana Shruti. It is stated here that when a living entity gives of his material embodiment and enter into the spiritual world, he revives the spiritual body, and in this spiritual body he can see the Supreme Personality of Godhead face to face. He can hear and speak to him face to face, and he can understand the Supreme Personality as he is. From Smriti also it is understood. Vasanta Yatra Purusha Sarva Vaikuntha Murtuyayate. In the spiritual planet, everyone lives in body feature like the Supreme Personality of Godhead. As the part and parcel of living entities and the expansion of Vishnu Murti, in other words, at liberation, the living entities get a spiritual body by grace of Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, it is understood here that the living entities, being the fragmental part and parcel of the Supreme Lord, is qualitatively one with the Lord, just as the past part and parcel of the gold are also gold. Jai Jagannath.